Hello everyone. In the series of online lecture, here I have brought a very important lecture on all practicals of lab course 8 of paper 16, that is functional genomics and proteomics. See, some important note is there regarding this video on practical. Since the chapter name or the unit name or the paper name is genomics and proteomics, means this is fully computer or internet based or online platform based practical. So internet connection, better mobile condition or PC is mandatory requirement for these practicals. Step by step, whatever pictures, whatever instructions are given, please follow them and to make copy accordingly. I have taken utmost care and I have written almost all necessary inputs which are the essential part of practical, means aim or objective, requirement, if definitions are there, any formula that is there, principle, procedure or method, result or interpretation, or then a precaution. In case of precaution, the common precaution is there to just be aware about the electronic device uses as well as the internet user manuals, like that. These are the precautions. So internet, to browse several websites to perform these functional genomics proteomics practical and to capture their result in the form of hard print, which you need to paste on your copy. So these are 5 practicals. One by one we'll go with all things. For each and every practical, the all practical pro forma I am giving. Only you need to understand what is the objective of practical and how we are achieving that practical aim. You need to write everything step by step. First see, understand, and then make your practical copy. Do not forget to fill serial number, name of experiment, page number, the practical date, because these all are online practical. So while looking this video, whenever you write on your copy that date of practical, you can write. And one thing I suggest, which is very important, that please download PDF format of this video lecture, because in this video lecture you may not understand many things. You need to pause video several times to understand, to learn, or to write. Actually, I have used very understandable definitions, understandable ways to understand this genomics and proteomics practicals. Few practicals are of proteomics, few practicals are of genomics. So total 5 practicals are there in this semester 4 in this paper 16, which is the part of lab course 8. So once again I am requesting you, please go through the PDF format of this video, which works very much for you. You can use this video just for observation, but please download that PDF format of this video, which is available in CG School portal. So see here the experiment number 1, the aim is written, the requirement, the definition related to the aim, then principle, then methodology, and the several pictures of website you need to take print out later of this all. And these are the steps, that means go to this website, then this red mark is telling, then click this. You also do this practical on your mobile or on your computer by using this particular website. These all methodology is given, is written in this practical. Then click this all, then you will get such type of web page, then click in that, then you will get such type of web page. Like that we can reach to our result. Similarly, the second experiment, the photograph of these instruments and all. Then we can reach to the result. Like the third experiment, retrieve protein from Swissprot. This is one of the database. See, this is the website, how to go for, how to proceed for everything. As per my good knowledge, I have given almost all raw materials. Only you need to learn and you have to write on your practical copy, okay, for final submission. For any doubt, you can come, you contact on my email ID, which is given at the last of this lecture. Experiment number 4. Better to download the PDF format, so as to at the time of even taking print out also, it would be very easy for you. This is experiment number 5, the last one. Everything you need to write OV to OV, but before writing, please see, go through that. If any correction, if any confusion raised, please let me know. See the step 1, protein database bank. Like that we can reach to the result. This is declaration. So please go through this PPT, this video in proper way. Try to understand, try to learn. These pictures, these printout, these all materials are the part of the practical fulfillment. The result would come in this form only. Okay, and in the time of, at the time of examination, you need to perform experiment on internet by using these protocols and all, and hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes to finish even all these 5 practicals, because these are online, the computer based, the raw materials are already there, only we are just searching the thing. Okay, so you need to understand the definitions, that protocol, and how to interpret the result. Okay, thank you very much.